Now, I may be a little late to the Forvr Mood party, but better late than never, so here it is. Hey, what's up? I'm Rakima. Welcome to detaileddream, where the primary focus is to expose you to the expansive world of luxury goods for yourself and your home. This review is long overdue. This would be my honest thoughts and opinions on the very popular Forvr Mood candles. Okay, let's jump right into it. We will get to the candles in a moment, but I want to touch base on Forvr Mood as a brand. It's a name that should be understood to get the premise of the company as a whole. My understanding is that it's much more than just the unique names behind each scent. There are tons of reviews across all social media on these candles, but I like to understand brands from a different perspective. Whenever I come across a new brand I am looking to add to my collection, I want to know all that there is about it. For me personally, I should be able to connect with a certain brand on an emotional level, not just because I like how a scent smells. What does the brand stand for, and what makes the brand different from the many other brands out here? Like the vessel, the packaging, or it could be the name. After these questions are answered, that's when the candles come in. I began to understand each scent individually as if I were the one who created them, and that allows me to connect emotionally with the candles that I purchase. I don't know, it's just my complex way of thinking about things. Forvr Mood is the brand created by Jackie Aina, who is a prominent entrepreneur in the creative space of YouTube. At least that's where I know her from. And with this brand, she wants to change the narrative for Black women as more deserving of self-care and just having the finer things in life with luxury self-care items, starting with candles. And I am all for it. Jackie has created something that goes deeper than candles, and I am not mad at it. Not at all. With the primary focus of Forvr Mood catering to the empowerment of women, I feel the marketing is perfectly targeted to exactly that. The candles are for that woman who's getting ready for a girls' night out or a brunch perhaps. They're for the woman who's getting ready to have company over for a date night and they want to set the mood before they get there. They're for that woman who wants to pamper themselves while drinking a nice glass of wine relaxing because self-care is very important. And for my guys, Forvr Mood will make the perfect just because gift. Thank me later. Now I'm going to be honest, as this brand is heavily marketed towards women, demographically I found that these candles are not for me. Yes, the brand is amazing and I love what Jackie is doing for women, but the scents are something I naturally do not gravitate towards. Don't get me wrong, the candles are good with strong performance. I got to experience the hot throw from a few candles in the new collection, Sweater Weather, and they had no problem filling the room. If you love amazing luxury gourmand notes like caramelized sugar, whipped butter, strawberries, peaches, and many other very fruity and baked good notes, then this brand has you covered in that aspect, as majority of their candles contain some type of food note. I think it was my fall video where I said me and gourmand notes do not mix well. I prefer a good strong earthy and woody candle all day, every day. But there is hope, because Forvr Mood does offer a few good scents that aren't gourmand, and I have a couple of them here. I opted for the Sephora exclusive duo, and if you guessed it, can only be purchased from Sephora. This bundle includes two candles named Sip Happens and Floral Play, which is presented in some very nice packaging. I love the gold writing in contrast with the black box with Jackie's name on the interior. There's also this satisfying magnet sound when you close it. I can literally listen to this all day. These matte colored vessels are made of some pretty thick ceramic. They definitely have some weight to them, and the gold interior lining detail is something I can appreciate. You normally don't see two-tone vessels, so I will gladly accept it. You can also repurpose them when the wax is all gone. Maybe use it for a small plant or cosmetic supplies in the bathroom. The possibilities are endless. Forvr Mood candles are 10 ounces and will give you about a 65-hour burn time, which is standard for your average size 10-ounce candle. Man, this candle smells really nice. And can we take a minute to talk about the very unique wordplay on the names of these candles? Like Thoughtum or You Up, and my personal favorite, Caked Up. It just sounds like a good time. I love the creativity on the names. They suit the brand perfectly. Now, getting into this bundle, I have to say the scents are very good performers with cold and hot throw. When I opened the box, I immediately smelled this nice mixed aroma of these two candles. I found myself gravitating towards the Sip Happens candle with better notes I personally love. The base notes is what really makes this scent, with musk, mahogany, and amber. The top notes has a different mix of what I'm used to, with fruity pomegranate and chill prosecco, which you can definitely smell from the cold throw. Then we get to floral play, that is packed full of floral notes, and is a better performer between the two. You get the initial smell of bergamot and gardenia on the top notes, and then the heart notes is where you'll find many of the floral notes of orange flower, iris, violet, and muguet. This candle is a floral lover's dream. I wanted to try layering them by having both of them burning together, and I have to say, I don't think I will ever burn them separately again. And since the Sip Happens scent is the more subtle scent, the floral play balances it out and brings out its full potential. I feel as if they were meant to be burned together. It smells like one strong candle with very good performance. When I have them on separate ends of my apartment, I get the perfect blend of both. All Forvr Mood candles are made with a soy coconut wax blend, which burns nice and clean. I haven't had any issues with the wicks or the wax burning uneven. It's something I always look for when trying out a new brand in my collection. One question I keep asking myself is, are Forvr Mood candles considered luxury? Well, the wax is good, the wick is good, they are presented well, and there's definitely a luxury price. This bundle was about $80, with the individual candles being about $40. The ingredients that make up these candles are very good, so I would classify it as luxury. But personally, the scents are not marketed towards me. I am looking forward to seeing what Forvr Mood creates for the future. If you're looking into picking up this bundle, I would say the spring is when you get the best use out of these scents. They will be a little too much for the fall-winter months, but that's just my personal opinion. Speaking of winter, I'm starting my winter burning rotation and already have a few candles picked. If there are any scents that you would like me to look into and add for the upcoming holiday season, then let me know in the comments below. What are your favorite candle scents that you will be burning this winter? Well, that's going to be all for today's video. As always, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.